Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, join the community of tech enthusiasts and start learning today with us. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
I decided to create a video, so I say create design video. So it shows me a template, a blank template. Now let's go to my uploads. Before I go to the uploads, let's go to the elements. One of the elements I found was this was useful for me because this is similar to my talking about technology, and this is a good presentation. So I put this logo here, and if you see I'm aligning it to the center, and now I add some text. So it's too big, but let's first enter the information. And reduce the size. Center it to the middle of the screen. And now, in fact, this template I can add some colors. Maybe I'll go with this. So let's change the color for this. Make it white. Right. So I have my first page now. So the other thing I can do is go back to the elements. And if you click on the page, now you hit animate. There are different types of animations. One is exaggerate. So if you see on these templates, I mean the animations, if you see something with a crown on it, it basically means you have to pay for the pay a subscription to use these. So there are others which are free to use. So let's take a look at some of those. So this is rise. This is more looks more attractive, so I will decide to use this. And if you see, by default, it's set the number of seconds this page is going to be on. So what I'll do is I'll reduce it to, let's say, 2.8 seconds. I'm ready with my first page, so I can now go ahead and create my next page. So let's do this now. Instead of recreating from scratch, what I'll do is I'll duplicate this. Trying to find how to do that. There you go. So I duplicate the page. Now in my second page, it's already got the animation type and the number of seconds this page is going to be there. So now let's bring another image which is free. I think this would be good. So before I do that, let me take off the old one. Delete. So change this. There you go. My second page is ready. Now let's do another page and duplicate this page. Now this is my third page. Let me get rid of this. Let me add another picture. So let's say I'm going to talk about the one like today. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so I could use this image for that. So the other thing is, if you see, this is pretty big, right? So I could reduce the size for this and also change the font for that. Now this is ready. So I have 3 pages. Now on the final page I want to I'll create one more page. And here what I'll do is I'll delete this. And I'll also delete this. So let me bring my company logo. Go back to the elements. Let's get the thank you image. And if you see it's centered, if you drag your the picture, it will center it now. So I'm ready with my final page. So I've created 4 pages. Now let's try and see how does it look. So if you see here, it's created a video with 4 pages and it's about 11.2 seconds. So let's play it. And there you go. That's the first video I have. So I do hit download, and default is MP4. That's what I want. And I hit download. It started downloading. I'm ready with my first video. So let's see how did it look. Now let me go to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio. And content. Now I create, upload video, select the file I just created. I could do temp and put anything I want. So I say intro, step by step. You can choose if it's just for made for kids or it's not made for kids, but you can always select not made for kids, but they will, if there's a problem, they'll let you know. So just hit no, not made for kids. Next, you don't want to do anything here, you can go ahead. What it's done is it checked if there's any copyright issues. It didn't find any. So next I do hit next. So I can do it. I can create a private or unlisted or a public. So depending on how you want to list your video. So if anything that goes on the channel and is visible to everyone is using public. So right now, let me check private, and it's saved. So there's my video. So let's take a look. There you go. So there's the first video. So let's go back. Let me play the one which I created for my channel, where we have music there. So how content, details, editor, audio. There are two options. One is free music and the other one is star. So let's say I look for go to me. It had I've saved it. So it's going to apply the music to my new video there. Whatever I selected. There you go. You're all set. Thank you for watching this step-by-step tutorial on creating a video.